Physiotherapy can be beneficial across the lifespan. For infants and children. First, promotes development, helps in the development of motor skills and addresses any delays or abnormalities early on. Second, improves strength, enhances muscle and joint strength, which is crucial for growth and development. Third, enhances coordination and balance, aids in the improvement of coordination and balance, supporting better physical activities and sports participation. For adolescents. First, injury prevention educates on the correct way to engage in sports and physical activities to prevent injuries. Second, rehabilitation assists in recovery from sports-related injuries or surgeries, ensuring a safe return to activities. Third, posture correction addresses posture-related issues that can arise from prolonged sitting or screen time. For adults. First, chronic pain management offers techniques to manage chronic conditions like arthritis, back pain, and repetitive strain injury. Second, work-related injuries provides rehabilitation for injuries acquired in the workplace and advises on ergonomics to prevent future issues. Third, pre- and postnatal care supports women through the physical changes during and after pregnancy, focusing on strengthening the pelvic floor and alleviating back pain. For seniors. First, fall prevention improves balance and strength, significantly reducing the risk of falls, which can lead to serious injuries. Second, mobility and independence aids in maintaining and improving mobility, which is crucial for independence and quality of life. Third, pain management helps manage pain from chronic conditions such as osteoporosis and can aid in the recovery process after joint replacement surgeries. For all ages. First, health and wellness encourages an overall active lifestyle, contributing to cardiovascular health, weight management, and mental well-being. Second, customized care. Physiotherapy treatments are highly personalized, taking into account the individual's health status, age, and specific needs, ensuring the most effective care. By addressing specific health concerns at each stage of life, physiotherapy not only improves physical health but also enhances quality of life, making it a valuable resource for individuals of all ages.